Hello and welcome back to First Place TV. My name is Tumelo Makgakga, a qualified chartered accountant, a registered tax practitioner, and a registered auditor. I'm so excited to host you again. Welcome back, and I hope you'll be able to enjoy today's content. Today, I want to talk about the importance of management accounts for a business. I hope you'll be able to enjoy. Please be sure to like, to share, to comment, and to subscribe to the YouTube channel. What exactly are management accounts? The long and short of it, management accounts are financial statements. And if we talk of monthly management accounts, we're just simply talking about monthly financial statements. What normally is included in management accounts would be your profit and loss, your balance sheet, your cash flow statement, your debtors information, and your creditors information. This is information that is sent to management to help management with decision making and to be able to see the detail of what's happening within the business. Now, one of my favorite shows is a show called Dragon's Den. A couple of weeks back, I was watching Dragon's Den, and for those who don't know, Dragon's Den is a show where entrepreneurs are invited to come in and pitch their idea to a group of investors, and these investors express their interest, and at the end, if they are interested, they go in and then invest in that business. They give the entrepreneur money and they get a stake in the business, a percentage of the business. Now, a couple of weeks back, I was watching this show and one entrepreneur came into the Dragon's Den and presented a very good idea, presented a great idea. The product was next to them there. And when it came time for the investors to ask questions about this business, one of the questions or some of the questions that started coming up were about financials. What is your turnover? What is your gross profit? What is your operating expenses? What is your margin? What is your profit after tax? What is your, what are you expecting to make in terms of sales in the coming year? What did you make in terms of sales in the past year? Those kinds of questions. And I could see the face of the entrepreneur changing. And I could just tell from that moment that this person does not know what they're talking about. They don't know their numbers. And yeah, it was at that moment that it came to me. I just wonder if this person had been, doing or had been receiving monthly management accounts for their business, which was telling them how much the business makes, how much profit they make, what is their gross profit margin, what is the margin on the product that they sell. It was clear to me that that person did not have that information. And unfortunately, they had to leave the Dragon's Den without any investment. If someone approaches you and asks you, what is your net profit in your business? Will you be able to answer that question? And if someone asks you, what turnover did you make last year, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, will you be able to give an answer? It's not enough, in my view, to just do annual financial statements, because that's covering a 12-month period. By the time you reach, the 12th month, a lot of things have happened that you could have changed if you knew what was happening on a month-to-month basis. So essentially, annual financial statements are good. Annual financial statements are a requirement. You need to do annual financial statements, but what I think you also need to look at is monthly management accounts, because it helps you monitor what's happening within the business. It helps you understand where are certain costs coming from. I know I've seen business owners who would be surprised, what is this expense? And by that time, we're preparing annual financial statements and they don't even know what expenses they have within their business. But now the question is, were you doing monthly management accounts? Did you have sight of what was happening in the business? Some people don't even know how much their business makes every month, and how much expenses that they carry, and they don't even know if their business is profitable or not. And unfortunately, this is very, very bad. So monthly management accounts are used in order to make decisions. How do you decide if you want to hire a person, if your business can afford to hire a person? Even if, yes, you can say we have a need in the business, we want to hire a person. How do you decide how much the budget is if you don't know every month how much your business makes, how much expenses your business has, and how much is remaining after all the expenses, you see? So that information becomes crucial, and it comes through your management accounts on a monthly basis. By monitoring that information, when it's time to make a decision, we need to hire someone, we need to bring in additional capacity. You know exactly what is remaining in your what is your operating profit in the business, how much can you afford for this role. And yeah, it's a matter of then negotiating based on understanding what exactly your business can do. So those are some of the key things that I think need to be considered. Now, it is clear that management accounts are, very valuable in a business, and that they provide you with a lot of information of what's happening on the ground in your business. Whether you're a manager, whether you're the owner of the business, I think these management accounts can be a very good tool to use when you make decisions about the business, and understanding what exactly is happening in the business on the ground. Now, here at First Place, we have great accounting packages where we prepare monthly management accounts for your business. Depending on the size of your business, we are able to provide you with monthly management accounts. And if you require, we can also, on top of the monthly management accounts, we can prepare monthly meetings with you where we take you through your own numbers, and we help you interrogate those numbers so that you know exactly what's happening within the business. We alert you of certain things that you may not be aware of. We start giving you a heads up to say, listen, provisional tax is coming. Have you thought of this? Have you thought of that? This is something that we are doing for other businesses right now. And I would like to invite you to arrange for a call. Give us a call. Use the details that are on the screen right now. Give us a call. Arrange for a meeting with myself and allow us to do an analysis on your business. Let us start working together and allow us to prepare monthly management accounts for you, and to have those monthly meetings where we start helping you understand your own numbers in your business, what exactly your business is doing, how your business is performing, and how you can use that information that is contained within the monthly management accounts to start making future decisions and to start thinking of how you can grow the business with a good understanding of what is happening within your business. Now, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for taking the time to comment, to like, and to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I hope to see you again in the next video.